the title Sugar Bad? The truth about sugar taught by Yuin U1 is that sugar is bad for the body. A lot of people know that, but that's only half the truth. Sugar itself is an essential source of energy for the human body. The brain uses only sugar as an energy source. It's not about how much sugar you eat. What kind of sugar is healthy? First, it's unrefined raw sugar. It is natural sugar made from sugar cane. It's brown, and the minerals and the moon are still alive. Second, white sugar. It is refined sugar without color from raw sugar, aesthetically good, but micronutrients may be missing in the refining process. Third, black sugar. Many people misunderstand that it is good for health, but there are many cases where caramel coloring is added to the crumbs of refined sugar cane. Fourth, oligosaccharides. It is a liquid cathedral made from processed potatoes or corn. They tend to use more because of their low sugar content, and you should also check whether they are GMO-free. Fifth, xylitol, a sweetener obtained from birch sap. It is good for your teeth and health, but the price is high. So what do we do with human bacteria? Unrefined raw sugar is the best material for fermentation, because natural sugars are an energy source for microbes. In human fermentation, sugars are used as fuel by microorganisms to convert them into beneficial substances such as vitamins and enzymes. In other words, if sugar is properly selected and used well, it becomes the basis of fermentation beneficial to the body. Healthy fermented foods protect the health of you and your family. Milk bacteria are beneficial human bacteria. Milk source plus bacteria.